Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX channel. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification to get similar kind of videos first you. As in, there's the Redmi Note 7 Pro Violet, and there's the Project Sakura Android 11. The Sakura version is 5.1. As you can see, for this Redmi Note 7 Pro Violet, the device manager is Spicy Dognut, and based on June 5th 2021 latest security patch, and this is the kernel used in this custom ROM. This is the Project Sakura. Let's see in this video what all the features and some of the scores, benchmark scores and raw performance and some features and even the bugs. Do hit that like button if you like the video, and you get this dialer here. Let me show you. Let me once change it to this general mode. Okay, now as you can see I'm dialing here. You won't get any call recording features here. Everything is working fine. Even in the dialer settings, you get Google dialer setting, and this is the messaging app. You get this all the app drawers, and this the home screen settings you get. As you can see, let me go to styles and wallpapers. As you can see, you get some of the pre-installed wallpapers. And coming to this styles and widget, you get styles. As you can see, I have made like this. By default you will get like this, and grid size you have plenty of options. Even the lock screen settings are also plenty of options are given, and this is the quick settings panel you get in this ROM. As you can see, if you want, you can edit in this ROM. These are all the options they are given in this Project Sakura. As you can see, you can even enable gaming mode from here. Moto audio, which is new thing I am seeing in this ROM. Let's see how it works. As you can see here, you get this Moto audio settings. Even through wired earphones or even loudspeakers, you can change this kind of audio experience. It's nothing like Dolby Atmos type. If you are used Moto smartphones, these settings you will be aware, and that is now available in this Project Sakura 5.1 version. As you can see, smart audio, music, movie, custom. You can even tweak this. As you can see, you can equalize the bass and treble, all these things, and even the vocal boost, bass boost, brilliant treble, and surround virtualizer, volume leveler. These options are also given in this ROM. This is the Moto audio tuned for Dolby. You get separate settings here. You can enable it from this settings. And coming to settings, let me go here, and network and internet connection, devices, apps and notifications, battery. As you can see, the battery life also good, not extraordinary or anything like that. And even in the battery manager, you get this battery manager, and here you get extreme power saver and automatic power saver. If you want, you can enable it out. As you can see, this is the battery settings you get, and you can change the styles of the battery and even the voltage, and that I will show in the later part of this video. Okay, coming to display settings, you get dark theme here. Turn on now. As you can see, even the color bucket, these are the some of the presets you will be given. I will be choosing Raven Black to get this kind of pitch black condition. Let me disable this. And installing of any or flashing any type of ROMs, I already made a video. Do check out here. Same method, you have to flash any ROM here. Night light, adaptive brightness, live display, styles and wallpapers I already shown you. Screen timeout, font also you can change here. As you can see, there are plenty of fonts available. Whichever you want, you can change. Even the font size, display size, screensaver, lock screen, tap to wake, tap to sleep, wake on plug, enable burst. Those options are present in the display settings. In sound settings you get all the basic settings. As you can see, you can even enable or disable the touch vibration, I mean the haptic feedback. This sound settings and storage privacy settings, all the things are exactly same like any Android 11 stock type ROMs. In security you get screen lock, fingerprint, face lock, even app locker is also given in this ROM. Let me show you. You need to add any of the app if you want, or else you can remove it. Like this you need to add the apps and even the fingerprint scanner. Let me, as you can see, it's just very fast. Now coming to face unlock, as you can see, it's quick. Security settings and dialing, call, earpiece quality in this ROM is not degraded, everything is working fine. Echo type, like some other ROMs you find echo in this calling purpose or even the other purposes. Here it is not the case, it's working fine in this ROM. And you get this kind of settings here. As you can see, in Sakura configs you get plenty of customization, interface, quick settings, lock screen settings, gesture settings, notifications, lineage parts, miscellaneous. You get gaming mode here. As you can see, you can enable by using this. All the settings are exactly same like any in the custom ROMs. If it is anything special I will be explaining, but everything is same. Now in this project Sakura ROM for Violet, I mean the Redmi Note 7 Pro, this is the Geekbench scores I got. As you can see, just now I have run this score. The single score is 469 and 1410 for multi score. If you want better this scores, do check out this video. That is really crazy scores. If you want to see more performing ROMs, I mean the performance based ROMs, click here the card. I had made several videos regarding this Redmi Note 7 Pro, the Violet. Do check out my channel, the videos. Even you have a playlist called Redmi Note 7 Pro. There I made several custom ROMs videos on this Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, this is the kernel used here and Geekbench scores. And now coming to speed test, let me show you. I have here like 100 Mbps plan. It will be putting like pulling up to 100. As you can see, I will even show with the internet connection also. Even the 4G VoLTE, I mean the LTE plus 4G plus is working fine, but sometimes I get where I live I don't have any proper LTE plus here. Let me check the internet speeds here. It will be definitely lesser compared to Wi-Fi connection, but anyhow, no problem I faced with the internet connection or anything like that. It depends upon your location. As you can see, it's fine in this ROM. Day-to-day tasks and even the gaming, as you can see, I have installed BGMI also. If you really need the BGMI gameplay in this project Sakura, do comment down below. I will be showing settings. Let me show you. I will be showing settings, but gameplay I am not going to include, because in previous videos I included a gameplay video of this BGMI or any Call of Duty. No one is seeing that. If you really need it, I will be making separate video of the gaming on this project Sakura ROM or any other upcoming ROMs. If you really require that kind of gaming video, I mean the performance video, it is fine, I can say it out, I played it. But if you need a special video on that, you do comment down below. Feel free to comment down in this video. Okay, as you can see the settings, in the graphics settings you get smooth plus ultra and HD and high. That's all. If you want to, you can enable using GFX tool here, and the gameplay is also fine in this ROM. Even the Call of Duty also in high settings you can play games, no problem in that. And this is the app drawer you get. And coming to CPU throttling thrust, I will be showing you it out. As you can see, many people told me to check this also. personally in like Instagram or like that, they are texting me. As can the performance over time graph, it's fine. It depends, guys. If you play the games, this is not the graph you're going to get, and if you perform a daily task, it will be like this only. It's fine actually. This is the performance or time graph based on this Project Sakura for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. the Violet, and even the earphone quality, through headphone jack on this ROM is good because of that Moto audio. The Dolby Atmos support. It's really good. And as you can see, the peak performance, everything is fine here. Let me stop it. It will be same only. If you continue it for a long time, it might get degrade. And coming to safety net status, let me run here. As you can see, it get passed. Everything is working fine in this ROM, and you will get this pre-built Gcam camera. As you can see, it's also working fine actually. As you can see, it's working fine. This the Gcam you get inbuilt with this Project Sakura 5.1 on this Redmi Note 7 Pro based on Android 11. I hope very soon we'll get Android 12 based ROMs on all the custom ROMs. Let's see when it will be available. You will be getting the videos in my channel. Do subscribe for such kind of videos for this Violet Redmi Note 7 Pro. And this is a very good ROM. You can use it as a daily driver, no problem in this smartphone. And this is how the smartphone is. And coming to like, actually the keyboard, I have changed it to Gboard. The previous build, inbuilt, this keyboard was not haptic feedback type. Now it's getting haptic feedback. That's how you need to keep in mind. You will be getting that pre-built keyboard, that will be not a haptic feedback one. If you want, you can install this Gboard. And that's all, guys. You get all the stock type experience in this ROM. If you like the video, give it a like, and do subscribe to my channel, and also support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I am Sampath. You are watching Sampath 7fx channel. See you. Bye bye now.